So Rivkin's ASX share packs are designed for a wide range of investors, whether you're looking for something that's quite passive and more as a buy and hold portfolio, or you want to be a little more active in rebalancing that. So each quarter, at the start of each calendar quarter, we release an updated 10 stock portfolio that's really designed to provide broad market exposure to high quality names and provide strong sector diversification as well. And when we're selecting stocks in this portfolio, we look at several criteria. Some of them include, we look at market capitalization. So this helps skew stock selection towards large, established, financially sound names that most people will be very familiar with, your BHPs, your Rios, the big four banks. We also look at profitability measures and see how efficiently a company is using its capital to generate profits. We look at valuation, so we don't want to, if we can avoid it, we don't want to be buying overpriced stocks because that comes with a higher degree of risk. And finally, we look at share price momentum, so how its share price has historically performed. In our view, that is a strong indicator of future performance. And what we do is we then combine all of these measures to get a general score for the stock selection, and outcome of that is that we do have a very diversified portfolio that is still skewed towards very established names that we're either happy to hold for a long-term investment, or again, if you want to be a little more active, you can rebalance that portfolio once a year or even on a quarterly basis as the portfolios are updated.